In the Philippines, due to the recent non-stop rain, volunteers postponed their upcoming year-end blessing ceremony and returned to Palo Elementary School to continue offering free medical services. Volunteers attended to residents' needs at the free clinic and also carried out house calls for those unable to make it out of their doors.
Tsuchi Foundation, meron po kaming
City volunteers announced the times and date of City's free clinic to the residents of Palo town. Close to the sea, 33 barangays of Palo have not yet been rebuilt following the devastation of Typhoon Haiyan. As city volunteers carry out home visitations, they meet Mary Durana, who shows them her temporary shelter, which barely keeps her family away from the elements. This 81-year-old grandma caught a cold during the typhoon. Her granddaughter says she has not shown any improvement over the past 2 months, but keeps coughing. In addition, the senior suffers from high blood pressure, putting a large strain on her body.
My grandmother cannot stand on her own. She can only sit or lie on the beds and needs us to feed her.
Volunteers immediately organize a house call to see the patient. With the senior's bad hearing and vision, the doctor needs her family assistance in order to diagnose her condition. A stethoscope and basic tests also come in handy.
After the diagnosis, I found her right lung suffers from bronchitis, so she needs to take antibiotics. I also checked to see if she is suffering from a stroke since she is old.
After the doctor prescribes the medication, city volunteers bring them to the senior's home. Each dose of medication is carefully packed with clear instructions.
My mother wanted to see the doctor because she said sometimes she couldn't even breathe. But I told her we don't have the money, so we can't.
We prescribed 4 types of medication for treating her bronchitis and high blood pressure. She will take them for a week.
Back to the free clinic site, one after another residents show up to receive medical attention, taking advantage of the first clinic in the area since the typhoon. Roxanne Pining has suffered from tooth problems for many years. Thanks to City's free clinic, he finally gets the chance to get to the root of the problem.
Salamat po sa Dr.
Thank you, Tsuji, for treating my teeth. And thank you, Tsuji, for giving residents in Palo town of Leyte province so much help. Thank you very much.
Palo, Baras. Salamat po.
I've checked 13 patients and extracted 15 teeth this afternoon. It's difficult to extract their teeth because they can't lie in a normal position. I have to let them lean against my body and pull their teeth from that awkward position.
This time, other than the dental services, the free clinic also offers 5 other departments, including pediatrics and surgery.
Since they live by the sea, I told them not to eat too much salty food. Besides, they should take their blood pressure on a regular basis and also take their meds.
Skillfully making balloons into all sorts of shapes, doctors offer not only medical attention, but also much-needed emotional relief to alleviate the pain and suffering of the city's children.